Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android version and launcher. Because options vary by phone, this prevents wasted steps. Next, open Settings and go to Lock Screen or Display, then tap Clock Style. This is the immediate control panel for built-in clock skins. If you don't see customization, install a trusted clock widget app from the Play Store. That gives you more faces and fonts. Once done, you're ready to pick a style that fits your home or lock screen. You now pick between built-in styles or the widget you installed. Choose one to see live previews. Use the controls to change size, font weight, color, 12/24-hour format, and transparency. These tweaks affect readability and battery impact. For widgets, long press your home screen and place the widget, then resize and open its settings to fine-tune. Make sure to preview on both lock and home screens, so you know how it looks You finish by applying the selected style and testing. Lock and unlock, rotate device, and check battery effect. If the clock won't show or looks wrong, clear the widget app cache or reinstall it. That often fixes corrupted resources. Also inspect app permissions and your launcher's widget settings. Some launchers block overlays. If problems persist, switch temporarily to the default launcher to isolate the issue. That single troubleshooting step usually identifies the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.